So here's my slime I made myself. Gonna check it out. There. Wait. Just one time. Okay. And there's how sticky my slime is. Okay. Okay. That is so sticky. So the way to make slime is that you have to get glue. You have to have some glue with you. And then the glue you just stir, well, pretty much you just put the stir in a bowl, but you don't, so you put like, let me think. So you put glue, a white glue, a water glue in a bowl. So then after that direction, you get shaving cream, and you start putting that on it to make it fluffy if you want your slime to be fluffy. I know I want it to be fluffy, but I want it to also be very sticky. And then you add food coloring to it, which is all green, and now waited a couple hours for it, put it in the bag, and look how sticky it is now. I wish everyone could feel it, but pretend to feel it. I'll let you feel it on the screen. You felt it? Okay. I'm gonna try to get it out of the bag. Let's see if it would come up. And then, if you want to make a bubble, you just flatten it. And then you twist it over, but I don't know how to make one. But I'm just guessing that that's how you do it. So we made slime. Today we made slime. Look at this. Oh, that's how